In this Curve review, I'm going to go through all the features and details about the product. Now, you can, of course, jump towards the end if you want to listen to a summary, but if you want the detailed overview of what's going on with Curve, how it works, then make sure you listen to the whole video. If you like it, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for any future updates on other products and services. Now, Curve was founded in the UK in 2015, and by 2018, it had expanded into Europe quickly, amassing around 250,000 customers. And it subsequently attracted investment from the likes of Investec and Oxford Capital, and now boasts over 4 million customers. Now, Curve is a debit card and app that combines all of your cards into one. You simply add your cards to the app in the same way you would do with something like the Apple or Google or Wallet, and the app provides spending insights and analysis across all of your cards. There are additional features which include instant spending notifications, a freeze feature that allows you to instantly freeze all of your cards in a single swipe, and a go back in time feature that allows you to pay via a different card up to 120 days after the initial payment was taken. Now, everything we mentioned in this video is in a full review on the Money to Masses website, which you can find via link on screen and in the notes of this video. So how does Curve work? In order to use Curve, you'll need to download the app via iTunes or Google Play, and it's within the app where you are able to order your new card. Now, once downloaded, you are asked to enter your email address, where you have the option to be sent a magic link or use a password. So if you use the magic link route, then you open the link via email and you'll automatically be logged into the app. You can then add as many Visa, MasterCards as you want by scanning your bank card, or alternatively entering in the card details manually. Once you start spending, Curve has a feature that allows you to get instant notifications as well as a categorized breakdown of your spending across all of the cards loaded onto your Curve. Perhaps one of Curve's biggest draws is its cashback feature that allows customers to earn 1% cashback at a number of retailers. However, this does come with a significant catch. The 1% cashback offer is only available to those who sign up to either its black or metal plans, which come with a monthly subscription fee and a limit to the number of retailers that you can earn cashback on. Curve has 4 accounts to choose from overall, 3 of which are subscription accounts, so that's Curve X, Curve Black, or Curve Metal, which we've already mentioned. Curve X is the cheapest option, which is £4.99 a month, and offers increased limits compared to the free Curve account. The key difference between Curve X and the free Curve plan, however, is the limit for spending abroad, and the go back in time purchase limit increases to 60 days from the standard 30 days. Aside from this, there is little difference between the two accounts that warrants the £4.99 a month fee. Curve's other subscription plans, the black and metal plans, offers card holders additional perks such as higher spending limits when abroad and a number of insurance products. Curve Black and Curve Metal also have a minimum subscription term of 6 months. If you don't want to pay a monthly subscription fee for a Curve account, you can of course choose the free plan that I've mentioned, which includes all of the key features, including spending analysis and go back in time features. It is worth noting that if you regularly withdraw cash from your account, that you will be limited to 10 withdrawals every 30 days, and any additional withdrawals are charged at 50p each. This limit is set across all of the Curve accounts and doesn't change depending on the subscription plan you choose. Now, to make things easier, we provide a detailed comparison between the different plans that Curve offer on our review on the Money to Masses website, which you can access via the link below this video. Now, using Curve abroad, it does allow you to spend on your Visa or MasterCards while you are away, and it doesn't charge any additional fees for doing so up to a set limit. Now, when spending abroad, you'll get instant notifications in both local currency and your usual currency, so you can keep track of what you're spending while you're on the go. Curve also uses the interbank exchange rate, so when you spend with Curve, you avoid the unnecessary fees that banks usually charge. You can use Curve to withdraw cash at ATMs that accept MasterCard. However, there are limits. With the free plan, you can spend up to £1,000 fee-free every rolling 30 days. Then a 2% fee is applied. You get £200 fee-free ATM withdrawals abroad, again every rolling 30 days, and then there's a 2% fee or £2 fee is charged, whichever is higher. Curve X has an increased limit on spending abroad, and the metal and black plans have more generous limits than that on both overseas spending and ATM withdrawals. Moving on to Curve Flex, this allows customers to split payments made in the previous 12 months into monthly installments. It's effectively another way of accessing credit, similar to a buy now, pay later loan. Customers can request a refund for a transaction made in the last 12 months, which they can then spread the cost of over 3, 6, 9, or 12-month periods. The first payment on the installment plan will be due 30 days after the refund has been issued. All Curve card holders can use Curve Flex, but it is subject to credit and affordability checks. The credit and affordability check will not affect your credit score, but setting up an installment plan will result in a hard credit search, which could ultimately impact your credit score. With regards to safety, Curve is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, so your data is protected by the security regulations in place by the FCA. It also doesn't share your bank card details with any retailers during transactions. Additionally, you can lock your card within the app should it be lost or stolen, offering extra security. It is important to note, however, that you may be giving up some of your rights under the Consumer Credit Act if you pay with your Curve card. Credit card purchases are covered by the Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act, giving you additional protection, allowing you to make a claim and get your money back if there is an issue in certain circumstances. However, paying with Curve means that you are paying via a third party, and therefore you give up those rights. So if you have any concerns over a purchase, particularly something of high value, then it may be worth paying via a credit card. Curve does, however, stress that consumers are protected by MasterCard's chargeback rights, where refunds may be provided if goods are damaged, not as described, or the merchant has ceased trading. In the article on the Money to Masses website, we give a list of the pros and cons of Curve so you can compare them. But if you want to get a better understanding where you are spending your money and you like the idea of limiting the number of cards that you need to take with you, then Curve may be of interest. The no hidden fees on overseas spending is especially handy, as it's easy to get caught out when traveling and the fees can quickly mount up. But you can achieve some of that with some of the app-only banks. Starling is a good example. We'll put a link to our review of that particular product in the notes of this video as well. The feature that allows you to lock your cards across all of them is really useful, as it eliminates you having to call around if you lose your cards while out and about. Being able to easily flip between multiple cards is clearly one of Curve's selling points, but let's be honest, Apple and Google Pay allow you to do that. CurveX may be an option if you wish to boost your overseas spending limits, but it is £4.99, so you're going to have to see whether you think that's beneficial or not. Curve Black and Curve Metal may be an appealing option for some, especially those that can benefit from the cashback and insurance products on offer. However, with monthly fees of $9.99 a month and $14.99 a month, always make sure that the benefits outweigh the overall cost. But as I mentioned, Starling there, another one is Revolut. We'll put a link in the video notes as well to that product. They also allow you to have overseas spending abroad at a very cost-effective rate. If you've enjoyed that video, then please make sure you hit that like button and you also subscribe to our channel.